Hi everyone, Zach Reinhardt here for cgboost.com, and another month is over and so are my vacations. Anyway, we are back with the next monthly 3D art challenge, this time with a character focused topic, Monster in the Closet. And yeah, this one gives room for many creepy but also cute and quirky monsters. At the end of this video here you will see the 10 best submissions of last month's Treehouse challenge. So how does it work? In a nutshell, you have 3 weeks time to create and submit a 3D still render that fits the topic, created with a 3D tool of your choice, and then you can get the chance to win some cool prizes, but more importantly you can improve your 3D skills and create an artwork for your portfolio. The judging team will pick 3 main winners and 2 honorable mentions that will receive some cool prizes from a big prize pool. We are also running a challenge raffle for everyone that submits a final render that gets accepted, where you can get the chance to win 1 copy of either our Blender Launchpad course or our Substance Painter Launchpad course without even winning the challenge. Again, Fox Render Farm and Raze Render Farm are providing some free render credits for everyone that participates, so if you have a slow computer, this can help you render out the final image for the challenge. If you need some feedback on your work in progress renders, simply share them in our community and ask for help. To join the challenge, simply click the link in the video description, read the rules carefully and get started. It's completely free and you don't need to sign up to anything. So don't miss this great opportunity to bring your 3D skills to the next level. Having a given topic, a deadline and a group of people joining this event can really push you and help you finish your artwork. I'm really looking forward to see your creepy monsters. If you want to see all 255 submissions and the winners of the last Treehouse challenge, there are some links in the video description below. And now enjoy the 10 artworks of the last Treehouse challenge that got the most votes from our judges. Have fun!